Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Kevin's Science Channel. If this is the first video you've seen on my channel, hate to disappoint, I actually don't do science a lot. In fact, I mostly do stuff to my car, which is sitting outside. We are in the garage right now because we're setting up the DJI Mavic Mini. Carson's got quite the rig over there with the leaf blower. As you can probably tell by the title, we're hitting the drone with some wind today. We're gonna see the max capabilities of the DJI Mavic Mini. We're going to hit it with wind. We're going to do a bunch of tests today, so I'm super excited. If you guys are new, hit subscribe, like the video. We just hit 2,000 subscribers like yesterday, so big thank you, that's awesome, huge milestone. This December, just been absolutely rapid firing videos at you, so I hope you guys appreciate. Hit the like button on every single one, it helps out the algorithm. But without further ado, ladies and gents, let's get to the video. We are doing this in a couple different modes. So we have the Cinesmooth, Standard, and Sport mode for this drone. What I'm going to do is rip up the leaf blower right now and then hit it from 12 feet, 8 feet, and then go back as close as we can to the drone to see what happens. All right, so that was a Cinesmooth mode. We got like 6 feet away until the drone actually turned. So there's obviously a clear limit on how much this can handle in terms of the wind. Sorry about the road noise, ignore it. So now we're gonna do the picture or like moving mode. It's like the standard, whatever the default settings are. So we're gonna do that exact same circumstances. Much better. I was about 4 feet away from the tip of the leaf blower to the actual drone, and it didn't even spin. It just kind of turned and moved, but ultimately that was much better. Let's do it in sport mode to see if there's any big difference. Let's land this thing. So as you saw in both the picture mode and the sport mode, it did kind of flutter a little bit towards the end. Ultimately, it held up really well. I'm very surprised and impressed by the performance of the DJI Mavic Mini. Now, this is only 249 grams. Now, that clears it for certification with the FAA and police, so you don't have to go and register this thing. That is one of the big selling points on this drone in particular. So now that we've done that test, we're actually going to look at the footage this took. So it is kind of like a self-stabilizer, obviously, as we saw, but we did record in 30 frames per second at 2.7K. So now we're gonna be showing the recording of the footage this took for every single test. Oh. I do want to say, obviously these are not everyday circumstances. This is rated at a really high mile an hour. I don't know quite yet, but I'm going to put it on the screen because I haven't researched it. But you're not going to run into this wind every day, obviously. I have flown this drone in like 20 mile an hour, 25 mile an hour wind before. And for the size of this drone, I'm really, really impressed. If you guys want this, links always in the description. This one actually just got hit with a price drop because the Mini 2 just came out. The Mavic Mini 2 can record up to 4K, and it also has a 2x zoom. I'd love to get my hands on a Mini 2, that'd be super cool. But for this review and this wind test, I'm very impressed. Thank you guys for tuning in to Kevin's Science Channel. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. If you want this, in the description. If you want the new one, also in the description. Feel free to browse the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.